In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two charts on MetaTrader 5. If you've ever wanted to analyze two trading instruments side by side, whether for correlation analysis or to identify the strongest trend, this guide will walk you through the process with ease and precision. Let's begin by opening the Market Watch window. This is your gateway to a myriad of trading symbols available on MetaTrader 5. Most likely, you'll find this window neatly tucked on the left side of your screen. If it's not already visible, just head over to the View tab at the top of your platform and click on Market Watch from the drop-down menu. Now you have a plethora of trading symbols right at your fingertips. Focus on your first trading symbol. This could be anything from currency pairs to commodities. Find the one you're interested in analyzing and right-click on it to bring up a contextual menu. Here, select the option that says Chart Window. Doing this will open up a new chart window for your selected trading symbol, giving you a clear view of its market performance. Next, carry out the same process for the second trading symbol. Again, browse through the Market Watch list, find your desired symbol, right-click, and select Chart Window from the menu options. This action will open a second chart window for the second symbol you're interested in. Now you have two separate chart windows displayed on your MetaTrader 5 platform. This is a powerful view that allows for direct comparisons between two instruments. You can analyze their price action, look for potential correlations, or even contrast their volatility. At this stage, it's a good idea to arrange these windows for better visibility. You can do this by navigating to the Window tab at the top of your platform. Selecting the Tile Windows or Arrange Windows option will typically yield a better comparative layout. There you have it. Two charts side by side, ready for your insightful analysis. Whether you're comparing technical indicators, assessing market trends, or simply observing price movements, looking at charts in tandem can provide significant insights. Remember, if you want to customize your viewing experience further, MetaTrader 5 offers various chart types and timeframes which can be adjusted via the toolbar. Always ensure you take full advantage of the customization features MetaTrader 5 provides. You can add indicators, draw trend lines, or change the chart style to suit your trading strategy. Experiment with these tools to maximize the value of your analytical activities. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've now unlocked a powerful technique to